How to invest your money. You can invest in individual stocks, index funds, cryptocurrency, gold, silver, REITs, bonds, real estate, your own business, peer-to-peer lending, forex, startup investing, education, your health. Now, um, let me tell you which ones do I favor. Right? Stocks. Don't invest your money in stocks. Right? The reason why is that stocks goes up, it goes up and down, right? And there is no way of telling whether it's going to go up and down. If you think you can do fundamental analysis or technical analysis and beat the market, be my guest, do it. And after you lost money, come back and take my advice. I have a book written about this. Go to Amazon and check my book. Um, Now, index funds. So, index funds, what they do is that they take top performing stocks and they put them together and you invest in them. You can invest in index funds, but here's the thing about it. Index funds, they give you a return of 10% per year. That 10% per year is very important. Uh, that 10% per year, if you invest your money with a bank for 5 years in a fixed account, go to your bank and ask them for a 5-year fixed account. They will tell you that they will give you something around 10% return. It's because with 90% of all investments, the most you can get is 10%, unless you are an outlier like Warren Buffett. If you think you're an outlier, you are the 1%, be my guest. Go and invest. Then you come back and tell me. So you can invest in index funds, but the thing about index funds is that they can go down. So if you're getting 10% from index funds and you're getting 10% from the bank, and with the bank there are no chances of you losing your money, and with index funds there is a chance of you losing your money. I would advise you to invest your money with a bank in a 5-year fixed account for 10% interest rate return. So that's number one. Invest with your bank for 10% interest or more. That's number one. Number two, okay, let's just look at all of this. Crypto, never invest in crypto. The whole idea about crypto is wrong. Right? It's like forex. Don't invest in forex. Too volatile, and you cannot beat the market. It's well explained in my book. Again, if you want to try, go ahead. I've tried. Most people have tried. We all lost money. All of us. Gold, you can invest in gold. Don't have a problem with that. Silver, you can invest in silver again. The ones that I say you can invest in them. The thing about them is that roughly they give you about 10% per year interest. They give you a return of 10%. So if all of this they give you 10% return and there is a chance of you losing your money, you might as well go get that 10% at the bank where there is no chance of you losing your money. You understand? So that's why I favor the bank. And then bonds, they offer you less money. Don't invest in them. Now real estate. So here's what you do. You get your job, earn money, or wherever you earn money, uh, wherever your money comes from, that's fine, as long as you have income. So you have income. Now what you do is that you take 50% of your income, you live on 50% of your income, meaning you buy food, clothes, whatnot, entertainment and whatnot in with 50% of your income. So you'll have to do everything cheap, if your 50% is not enough. The other 50% you're gonna invest it. I'll let you know how to invest it just now. What I wanna stress is I can't even remember what I wanna stress. But now the 50% that you're gonna, oh yeah, here's what I wanna stress. So you live on 50% of your income. If it's not enough, then don't buy a house, don't buy a car, so that you can be able to live on 50% of your income, because you want to invest the other 50%. Yeah? So how do you invest your 50%? You go to a bank, you open a fixed 5-year account, they give you 10% or more return. Now you get you go to the same bank, you get a bond, you buy a property, and then you rent out that property. After 5 years, when your money comes out from the bank, when it matures and you get 10% plus compounding interest, you sell your property again after 5 years. So your property will sell at uh, you will profit half of your bond amount from that property. So if you bought a property for 1 million on bond, you will find that it appreciated by 500,000. Right? So now you have that money that you profited from the property, and that money that you profited from the compounding interest. You repeat the same thing. That will make you rich very fast. That's all you need to do. Right? You just deal with those three things: income, bank compounding interest, and real estate. The rest here is just a waste of time. However, I'm not saying don't do them. Do them after you lose money. Come back, watch this video, go look for my books on Amazon, and then that's when you will get wealthy. Um, Opening up your own business, and majority of businesses fail. Let me tell you. I don't know what's the stats. I think it's like 90% fail. So it doesn't take a genius to figure out that you're probably not in the 10% that's gonna succeed, right? However, if you want to play a 10% game, go ahead and open a business. I have a master's in business administration. I know why they fail. It's too much problem solving there. Too much, a lot. Let me tell you. And then, oh yeah, education. You should invest in your education, right? In that 10% that you live on, just make sure that the education is included there. Right? And then startup investing. Don't invest in startups. The reason why people invest in startups is that they think that it's gonna make them rich fast. No such thing. Another valuable reason that a person can give me is that maybe they want to be a billionaire, because the plan that I explained on how to become wealthy will make you a millionaire, but they don't make you a billionaire. To get to a billionaire, people invest in startups hoping that it will make them billionaires. But to get to a billionaire, that's not how you get to a billionaire. So let me tell you how you get to be a billionaire. After you make a few millions from the plan that I explained, investing with a bank and real estate, you take a couple of millions and then you buy shares and you invest in a business. You don't trade, you invest in a business that you're gonna grow. For example, Elon Musk built PayPal. He sold PayPal and then he bought shares in Tesla, and then he owned Tesla. So he bought a business, he didn't trade, he bought a business and then he built it. Right? Now, we still don't know if it's gonna work out or fail. That we don't know, let me tell you. There are too many popular brands that have failed. And just because something is succeeding now, it doesn't mean that it's gonna succeed forever, isn't it? But if you want to become a billionaire, that's the route that you have to take. Anyways, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.